Ever dreamed of launching your website into the digital cosmos? Let's make it a reality by connecting your Spaceship domain to Hostinger hosting, hassle-free. First, let's find your Hostinger Nameservers, log into your Hostinger account, and navigate to your hosting dashboard. Look for the Hosting section, and click on Details or Manage for your active hosting plan on the Hosting Details page. You'll find your assigned nameservers. They'll typically look something like NS1Hostinger.com and NS2Hostinger.com. But yours might be slightly different. Jot these down or keep the page open. Now, head over to your Spaceship account, log in, and find your domain management area. Locate the domain you wish to connect to Hostinger and click to manage its settings. You'll be looking for an option related to nameservers or DNS management. Select the option to use custom nameservers. This is where you'll enter the Hostinger nameservers we found earlier. Carefully type in each nameserver address provided by Hostinger into the respective fields in your Spaceship account. Make sure there are no typos and that you've copied them exactly. Once you've entered all the Hostinger nameservers, save your changes in Spaceship. It's important to note that DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. Usually between a few minutes and up to 24 hours, you can usually check the status in your Hostinger account or by using a DNS checker tool online. And that's it. By updating your nameservers in Spaceship, you've successfully pointed your domain to your Hostinger hosting. Now you can start building and launching your website, ready to explore the vastness of the web.